Why study in Canada? Canada currently has over 500,000 international students currently studying. In this video, I will be discussing with you guys some of the top reasons why you should study in Canada, and also give you guys some advice as to what area you should study in based on my experience as an international student. Stay tuned. If it is the first time you're watching one of my videos, guys, please go and hit that subscribe button right now. Smash a like and definitely share this video with a friend, especially if you have a friend or a family member who's thinking about studying in Canada. I hope this video will be super helpful. Hey guys, so my name is Demar and you are watching The Andersons, and the series that you are watching is a part of our Life in Canada series where we try to give advice and tips from our own experiences living in Canada for the past few years. In this video, as I said, I'll be giving you guys 6 reasons why you should consider Canada as your destination of choice when you're deciding to study in a foreign country. And in addition to those 6 reasons, I will be sharing with you guys also some areas that I think will be beneficial to study in Canada as well. And the number 1 reason, guys, is academic excellence. Canada is ranked in the top 10 countries where education is concerned. Canada has a very good educational system, and when you acquire a postgraduate degree, diploma, certificate, or whatever it is that you want to study in Canada, it is recognized internationally. It's something that you can use worldwide. It's something that you can go back to your own country with and will be like so heavy. Or if it is that you want to go to another country as well, it's something that you can also use. Reason number 2, guys, is cost. Whilst persons might argue and say it's so expensive to study in Canada, I would say on the contrary actually. Canada is one of the cheapest developed countries education wise in terms to study. If you should do the comparison between Canada and the other developed countries like the United States or countries in Europe, Canada is actually ranked on the lower end of the spectrum where tuition and cost is confirmed, and this is based on data that was derived in 2020, so which was just last year. Reason number 3, you get the opportunity to gain valuable Canadian work experience while you study. So once you are granted a study permit, guys, you do not have to apply for a work permit. You can work a part-time job when school is in session, just using your study permit, and then you can work full-time when school is out of session. So throughout the winter breaks and throughout the summer breaks, you can work full-time, and the only thing you need is your study permit. And that also is beneficial because it gives you valuable Canadian work experience, which for future processes is also very important. Reason number 4, immigration opportunities. Studying in Canada is often argued as one of the best ways to immigrate to Canada. There are so many opportunities that can be derived immigrationally by being a Canadian student. Once you study in Canada for longer than a year, you can then apply for a postgraduate work permit, which can then be extended up to a maximum of 3 years, which allows you to stay, live, and work in Canada for 3 years. And also, studying in Canada as an international student also has huge benefits as it relates to becoming a permanent resident. If it is that you want to become a permanent resident in Canada, studying in Canada also benefits that process in a significant way. Reason number 5, guys, is the multiculturalness of Canada. Canada has such a diverse culture that it makes it feels as if you're living in almost 10 different countries at once. There's so many different cultures that will impact you as an individual. So when you are studying, you are also becoming so well-rounded and adapt, and that also aid in the globalization process because you get to understand other cultures, you get to learn from other cultures, and you definitely get to appreciate other cultures. And I can guarantee you that whatever country you're coming from, you're gonna find somebody in Canada who's coming from the same country that you're coming from, and then the transition will be a lot easier. And finally, reason number 6. So the safety of Canada. Again, Canada is ranked as being one of the safest countries on the planet, bar none. It is so convenient when you are studying and you don't have to be worrying about your safety, right? Canada is so safe. So if it is that you're looking to study in a country that allows you the peace of mind to just study and work and get that experience that you need, definitely consider Canada. Canada has one of the lowest crime rates in the world. So those are my 6 reasons why I think you should study in Canada. So you have decided to study in Canada, but you're not sure what to study. Well, these are some of the top areas that international students generally focus on. First area is the area of hospitality. Hospitality is a very common area for international students because Canada is so inclusive as a country. So tourism management and all things hospitality is a very good area to study in. The second reason that most international students choose to study is health and sciences. And health and sciences, guys, comprises of areas like pharmacy, nursing, public health, biotech, all of these lovely things. And this is another common areas for international students to study in terms of job viability and also the cost of study. The third area that international students focus on is information technology. So we're living in an age where IT is one of the most important things, and in studying in Canada, that's no different. A lot of international students observe this opportunity and they choose to study in this field. And information technology comprises of areas such as programming, 3D animation, artificial intelligence, and graphics design. But again, this is just a huge area of focus, right? So whatever it is, as long as it's IT related, there's so many international students that is focusing on this, and it's definitely an area that you can and probably should be focusing on as well. And the fourth area that a lot of international students look at studying in Canada is engineering. Engineering is a high demand area of study for international students. And engineering comprises of computer engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, marine engineering, and all of other types of engineering, of course. So engineering is a huge area of focus of study in Canada for international students as well. And again, this is based on job viability and other areas. And the last area on my list that international students really like to study in is, I can probably assume that you guys will guess what it is: business administration. Business administration is an area that international students are so attracted to, and probably because it's so diverse. Business administration covers a number of different areas. You can be focusing on management, accounting, marketing, HR, personnel management. There's so many other areas underneath business administration, and international students always see this as an opportunity to acquire valuable Canadian work experience and also international accreditation, right? Because business administration is something that is widely accepted, widely appreciated, and in most cases widely used. And these guys cover some of the reasons why I think you guys should consider studying in Canada, and also cover some of the areas I think you guys should be focusing on if it is that you want to study in Canada. Please don't forget to smash a like on this video, guys. Leave a comment, let me know if you like this video, if you want me to focus on more videos like this using my experiences. If there's any question that you might have, I would be happy to assist using my experiences as well. Please subscribe, share this video with a friend, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.